what more could one ask than having one of his children be involved with a business, carrying on and advancing the business into the future?
Kika Young of Forest City Gear, and I am the president of Forest City Gear.
Frederick Young, I'm the chairman of Forest City Gear. It's been a family business forever, and so she's grown up with the business.
This was our babysitter, right? I mean, we were, dad's got to come to work, mom's out of town, or Saturday morning, you can go to your sister's soccer game or you can come into the shop with me, which will it be? And, for me, it was always the shop, right?
The strategy was to involve them at an early age in the business so that they would be comfortable with customers and how to present themselves as a representative of Forest City Gear.
Some pretty traumatic stuff started happening in our family a couple years ago. Our mom received a stage 4 cancer diagnosis. She was really involved in the day-to-day management of the company. She was serving as president and CEO at that time. She was really concerned that this family business and trying to manage it into the 3rd generation was going to come between us. And she passed away in February of this year. My older sister, Appy, actually said, well, wait, can we just not sell? Can you just run it like you were going to, and can we just keep it in the family like we were going to? And Dad said, yay!
The answer to my prayers.
Yeah.
Well, it was always my hope and prayer that we could transition the company to family ownership. And fortunately, I was blessed with 3 very talented young ladies who had an interest in pursuing the business that would continue the goals that we've had for over 50 years.
If you look at the way Forest City Gear runs this business, the way that we've done our capital reinvestment, the way that we have looked at continuing education for employees, the way that we want to maintain our facilities, those things don't directly translate to the best thing for your pocket, right? Our core values, families matter and always will. It doesn't matter how expensive of equipment we buy or how great that machinery is if we don't have a loyal and educated employee base who can run that equipment. I mean, there are just certain things that matter more than money. We do some really cool stuff at Forest City Gear, right? And the part that I've been fidgeting with here is one of the Mars rover housings, and it really is a testament to the level of difficulty that we can do all within one part. And a lot of that is because of the equipment that we have on the floor. And a lot of the equipment that we have on the floor is because we found it at IMTS.
I never met a gear machine that I didn't like or want. We always want to go and see the latest equipment that's available. And IMTS has been a showcase of new developments. We don't want to fall behind any of our competitors in the industry. We buy new gear machines every year. We buy new gear inspection equipment every year. Our inspection capabilities exceed that of almost everybody else in the industry.
But for me, IMTS is more networking. But when you need somebody and you know who to call because you were with that guy at IMTS or you were at a meeting or a seminar or whatever and you sat next to him and you understand what's in his shop or he knows what's in yours, that makes a big difference.
I'm Fred Young.
And I'm Kika Young, and you'll find us at IMTS.